Pig. Father Christmas. It is almost Christmas. Peppa and her friends are at playground. Children, we are going to do a Christmas play. Danny will be Father Christmas. Wendy Wolf can be an elf. Oh, goody. Can I be a Christmas fairy? Peppa will be the Christmas fairy. I want to be the nurse. I don't think there is a nurse at Christmas, Susie. But what if somebody gets ill? Good point. Susie will be the Christmas nurse. I want to be a snowflake. Okay. Now, you can all practice your parts. It is the next day. Peppa and her family are at the supermarket. Daddy, look! It's Father Christmas. Why don't you go over and say hello? Hello, it's me, Peppa Pig. Hello, Peppa. Are you looking forward to Christmas? Yes. We're doing a Christmas play. I'm the fairy, Susie's the nurse, and Danny is you. Will you come and see our play? I'm rather busy at this time of the year. Oh, please. I'll do my best. Peppa and our friends are putting up Christmas decorations. Father Christmas is coming and seeing our play. How do you know? I saw him at the supermarket. I saw him at the garden center, but he didn't tell me. I saw him at the shopping center, and he didn't tell me. Oh, Peppa and her family have come to the Christmas tree shop. Look, it's Father Christmas again. Hello, and who might you be? Peppa! You haven't forgotten. Forgotten? No. Good. So you all come to the play. The play? Our Christmas play. Of course. I'll do my very best. Oh, goody. It is time for the Christmas play. All the parents have come to watch. Are we ready to start, children? We can't start. Father Christmas isn't here. He might be a little bit too busy to come tonight, Peppa. Did he? But look, your parents are here. Snow, snow is what we like. Snow by day and snow by night. And when it turns its snow, it turns white snow, snow, snow. I am the Christmas fairy. I am Father Christmas. I am Christmas nurse. I need to check if you are well. Say, you're fine. Off we go. Wonderful. Father Christmas, you came to see our play after all. It's very good. Do you really go all around the world on Christmas night? Yes. How do you do it? With my magic sleigh and reindeer. Wow. Can we see your sleigh? Well, I'm sure Father Christmas is a bit too busy to show us. It's true, I am very busy, but of course you can see my sleigh. Come outside, everyone. Wow, it's beautiful. What's it like to ride in? Hop in, I'll show you. Why not? A little drive around the car park. Hang on, everyone. Ready, steady, go! This is amazing. Oh my goodness, we're flying. Can you go faster? Hold on tight. Let's do a loop-the-loop. That was brilliant. Yes. Happy Christmas, everyone.